How sound is produced. Sound waves are produced by the rapid to and fro motion of an object. We can observe this by plucking a tightly stretched string. The movement of the string produces a sound. This rapid to and fro motion is called vibration. The toy harmonica is a wind instrument. It uses vibrations in air columns to produce sound. By changing the length of the vibrating air column, we can vary the frequency of sounds to produce music. Remember, the shorter the air column, the shriller the note. Let's make a jaltarang, which is an ancient Indian musical instrument. We have here a set of 7 identical glasses filled with water to different levels. Let's lightly tap the glasses one by one using a small stick. You just heard 7 beautiful music notes. Observe that the less the water, the shriller the note. Here too, by varying the length of the vibrating column, we can change the frequency of sound. We can adjust the amount of water in the glasses to get different musical notes. You could try to play some simple tunes on your jaltarang.